Dear student, today I will be discuss two sub-content of the chapter agriculture. First, agriculture and economic activity, then different types of agriculture means different types of farming activity. All economic activities divided in three parts. First, primary activity, second, secondary activity, and third, tertiary activity. An activity that is related directly to the extraction and production of natural resources is a primary activity. Agriculture and fishing are best example of primary activities. Secondary activities are concerned with the processing of these resources, manufacturing of steel, baking of bread, and weaving of cloth are example of secondary activity. Tertiary activities provide support to the primary and secondary sectors through services, transport, trade, banking, insurance, health, and advertising are examples of tertiary activities. Agriculture is a primary activity. It includes growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and rearing of livestock. In the world, about 50% of persons are engaged in agricultural activity. In India, about two-thirds of population is directly indirectly engaged in agricultural activity. Favorable topography of soil and climate are vital for agricultural activity. The science and art of cultivation on the soil, raising crops and rearing livestock, it is also called farming. Commercial rearing of silkworms known as sericulture. It may supplement the income of the farmer. Breeding of fish in especially constructed tanks and ponds. This type of activity known as pisciculture. Cultivation of grapes known as viticulture. Growing vegetables, flowers, and fruits for commercial purpose known as horticulture. So all these are include in agricultural work. Agriculture or farming can be looked at as a system, and this system known as farm system. The important inputs are seeds, fertilizers, machineries, and labor. There are two types of farming. One, subsistence farming, and second, commercial farming. Subsistence farming is practiced to meet the needs of the farmer's family. Traditionally, low level of technology and household labor are used to produce on a small output. Subsistence farming can be further classified as a intensive subsistence and primitive subsistence farming. In intensive subsistence agriculture, simple tools and huge labor are used by a farmer to cultivate a small plot of land. More than one crop is grown annually in favorable conditions. Rice is the major crop. This form of agriculture is seen in the thickly populated areas of the monsoon regions of South, Southeast and East Asia. Primitive subsistence agriculture includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation is practiced in the thickly forested areas of Amazon basin, tropical Africa, parts of Southeast Asia and Northeast India. These are the areas of heavy rainfall and quick regeneration of vegetation. In this process, first a plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. The ashes are then mixed with the soil and crops like maize, yam, potatoes and cassava are grown. After the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned and the cultivator moves to a new plot. Shifting cultivation is also known as slash and burn agriculture. By this process of cultivation, major forest areas destroyed by burning. Nomadic herding refers to the practice in which herdsmen move from one place to another place with their animals and fodder and water. Animals usually reared are the yak, sheep, camel and goats. This type of practice usually seen in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia and some parts of India like Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir region. Commercial farming is the practice in which crops are grown exclusively for commercial purpose. In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in market. The area cultivated and the amount of capital used is large. Most of the work is done by machines. Commercial farming includes commercial grain farming, mixed farming and plantation agriculture. Commercial grain farming is a class of commercial farming. Crops like wheat and maize are grown for commercial purpose. The temperature grasslands of North America, Europe and Asia are some common areas where it is seen. Mixed farming is another type of commercial farming. The land is used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestock. Some areas where it is followed are Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand and South Africa. Plantations are a type of commercial farming where only a single crop like tea, coffee, sugarcane, rubber, banana and cotton is grown. Large amount of labor and capital are required in this field. The produce is processed in the farm itself or nearby factories as a raw material. Major plantations are found in the tropical regions of the world.